This is a Do you see that 78 miles an hour wind, Maddie? That's how fast the wind is blowing. Look at.